Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for business owners, IRS Form 1120S. If you're running an S corporation, understanding this form is crucial for your financial health and compliance. So, what exactly is Form 1120S? It's the U.S. income tax return specifically designed for S corporations. This form allows businesses that have chosen S corporation status to report their income, deductions, gains, losses, and credits to the IRS. Unlike traditional corporations, S corps don't pay federal income tax directly. Instead, profits and losses pass through to shareholders, who then report them on their personal tax returns. This unique structure can provide significant tax advantages, but it also comes with specific filing requirements. Now, who needs to file Form 1120S? If your business is a corporation or an LLC that has elected S corporation status by filing Form 2553, you're required to file this form. Additionally, you must have no more than 100 shareholders, issue only one class of stock, and ensure that your shareholders are individuals, certain trusts, or estates, not partnerships or corporations. Even if your S corporation had no income or expenses during the year, filing is still necessary to maintain compliance. What does Form 1120S include? This form captures vital information such as gross income from sales, services, and investments, as well as business deductions like salaries, rent, depreciation, and interest. It also includes Schedule K, which summarizes income deductions, and credits passed to shareholders, and Schedule K1, detailing each shareholder's individual share of the business's financial activity. Plus, it features a balance sheet that shows your assets, liabilities, and equity. Let's talk about deadlines and penalties. For calendar year filers, the due date for Form 1120 is March 15th. If you need more time, you can file Form 7000 to extend your deadline until September 15th. However, be cautious. Late filings or missing K1 South can lead to penalties of $245 per shareholder per month. Staying on top of these deadlines is essential for avoiding unnecessary costs. So, why does filing Form 1120S matter for your business? Properly completing this form ensures IRS compliance and transparency, accurate income reporting for shareholders, avoidance of double taxation, and protection of your S corporation status. It's a vital step in safeguarding your business's financial future. At MANNOE Income Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in helping S corporations file Form 1120S with precision and care. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned business owner, we're here to ensure your return reflects your success and keeps your operations running smoothly. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider following us for more insights. For personalized assistance, don't hesitate to contact us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at mannoetax.com. We're here to help you navigate your tax journey with confidence.